Dear friends, welcome back to a new video from Deli Curtain. In today's video, we are watching latest trending 3D foam sticker wallpapers and how to apply them on the walls. Customers can easily apply them on their walls. First of all, we need to clean the walls from dust and moisture. Then make an idea where you want to stick it. Place the wallpaper sheet on the exact spot and peel a side layer and press it on the wall. Then remove the remaining part and press it completely. Now align another one near it and repeat the process. Here you go. You have successfully decorated your walls with these exquisite wallpapers. Hope it was helpful. Thank you all.